Will this $500 item prevent my travel to Turkey for a hair transplant? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. This is a Vortex Wand Pro, as you can tell by the very cheap looking packaging. This shit does not feel premium, guys. So Vegeta hairline, of course. Obviously, I have some hairline recession. It's okay. It happens. Don't worry, fellas. That's why I'm here to be a guinea pig to test for you. These guys also sell hair serums, which feel very cheap as well. I'm very worried to put this on me, but I'm at a stage of my hair loss where, fuck it. So these things have shelf lives, which is a good sign, maybe, because I was a big fan of Revela's hair serum before they sold out. Fuck you, and also fuck you to Evan Zhao for not having our backs. That shit was working, and he sold out to pharmaceutical companies who have yet to put out anything similar. I've reached out to Spoiled Child, and I've reached out to that other company that you supposedly were gonna sell this to. Nobody has said a word. It's been almost 3 years. Fuck you guys. Anyways, back to this. Revela was really working too. Let's go ahead and unbox this. It has a little manual, very cheap looking manual. This is some, this stuff ships from China, yet this company is located in Virginia. So if this is a psyop from the CIA, well done. If you need this to fund the oncoming civil war, then by all means. You got frequencies and all this doodad stuff. It says that you got to hold it a certain way in order to ground the tube before you use it. This is essentially like those plasma balls that we used to play with as a kid. Except now it's a straight shot to your noggin. Yeah. This is the device itself, the Vortex Pro. This is gonna fade within like a month of use, I can already tell. Yeah, this feels pretty cheap. I did not spend $500 on this, nor should you. If you want to use this, if you do see that this works, I got this on sale, so cool. This is the hair serum. Obviously you're not going to see any of the effects of the hair serum because it's just stuff, but I'll do like a couple months of this, and it's a DHT blocker and all that stuff. So if you guys don't know, DHT is the stuff that causes the hair loss for men at least. Or for women, I don't know. I'm not a scientist. Let's get all these tubes out. I'm very worried about that. I'm gonna inspect the hell out of this stuff because if there's like a crack or something, I don't want to get electrocuted. I guess I'll use the little poker thing to go across this stuff. Okay. Let me read the manual actually because I'm a little scared. So main instruction, right? High frequency electrotherapy is an important hair care device. Again, this doesn't feel genuine. This doesn't feel like a premium product that I feel 100% safe in. It also tells you if you have a pacemaker or you are pregnant not to use this. The stimulation from the wand's high-frequency treatment allows products and serums to better absorb in your scalp, enhancing results from most treatments after use. That is a key phrase because in the advertisement, the thing says, oh, this thing itself is gonna, fix your blood flow. So, yeah, cool. Okay. Into handpiece before, okay. We're just this seems magnetic, so I don't think there's any twisty tubey things going on. The fuck? Okay, so you just shove it in there. This is all the way in. It has a little fucking thing to help it turn on and off. This is also the, sorry, I'm fucking tired. I'm taking this off too. Fuck this. I'm very worried about even having this on, so I'm gonna move it somewhere because I do not want to die on camera. That is not cool. So I'm gonna move this here, right? Just to be safe. You can never be too careful with this stuff. And I'm going to plug this in and first try to show you guys what the whole ordeal is. Right? Alright, got the machine here. Let's go this way now. Bring this guy over here. Okay. Right. This is the first time for me too, so. Okay, there's the plasma or whatever. That does not feel fucking safe. Okay, you can see sparks coming out. What? Okay. It's gonna tap my head. Ow. Ow. That's like, it feels like needles. I'm just electrocuting myself with this shit. Oh. My shit better not catch on fire, Heike. Ah. Ah. What the fuck? Let's lower that. Okay, that feels much better. Oh my god. Dude, that was like halfway. It wasn't even like fully to the shit. I feel stupid. Well, yeah, this is, I guess, the procedure. I'm gonna raise it up a bit. Maybe gotta get used to it. That's better. I would just wear this with goggles just to be safe. Okay. Okay. I am getting a good sensation out of this. Let's raise it up some. Okay, that's a little more shocky. Ow. Fuck. This is weird, bro. Okay. I am successfully removing the deep state from my head. Alright, it's been 3 minutes. That was cool. That was fun. That's pretty much it in terms of this. I'm gonna be using this for a bit and try to see what kind of changes are made with some before and after pictures. Yeah. Okay. I guess we'll wait for a couple parts to play out and then see how this goes.